So we know that normally to find a fraction of a number, we divide by the denominator, then multiply by the numerator. But here we've got missing number problems, so we need to do it the other way round. So our first question, 3/5 of what is 15? We can start by dividing by the numerator, so dividing 15 by 3. That gives us 5, and then we can take that 5 and multiply it by the denominator, and 5 times 5 is 25, so that's our missing number. And we can see that this works because 25 divided by 5 is 5, and then 5 times 3 is 15. Now, 3/4 of what is 27? So to find our missing number, we can start by dividing 27 by the numerator, and 27 divided by 3 is 9. Then we can take that 9 and multiply by the denominator. 9 times 4 is 36, so that's our missing number. And again, we can check that this works. 36 divided by 4 is 9, and then 9 times 3 is 27. Now 3/7 of what is 21? We can start by dividing 21 by 3, so dividing by the numerator, that gives us 7. Then we can take that 7 and multiply it by the 7 that's in the denominator. 7 times 7 is 49, so that's our missing number. And again, let's check that this works. 49 divided by 7 is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.